drop, Ashtar. That's a good
It's important because people need to be engaged with the community, and that's one of our good ideas.
Yep, absolutely.
Again, as I said in the beginning, the idea is not only to cover 2D things or 2D animations, but also have those objects, 3D objects, turntables, or objects that you can even print within your own printer. That is really, well, each day it's getting easier to get it within the community, within having your own printer. You could have your own toy or even your own piece of art or even NFT. It's like jumping again to the physical world with a digital concept, with a crypto thing that is within this blockchain.
No, I'm saying the 3D, what you're talking about, maybe in third quarter. There's no one doing that. It's pretty unique, right? You guys are kind of coming out with something, pretty incredible, right? I mean, because I've never heard of anything like that. So that's correct, right?
Exactly. Nobody's doing this, and one of the cool things that you could even not only having this kind of 3D turntable GIF that could also be related to an OBJ file that is a 3D file that you could print. You could have your own angle of the exactly NFT that you have, and this is the thing that is completely different from everything that is right now related to the NFT.
Wow.